The European Commission President, Ursula von der Leyen, said at a press conference that by the end of July, over 70% of the adult population in the EU bloc will be vaccinated, which is 2 months earlier than expected.
And with the enormous efforts of BioNTech Pfizer and the acceleration of their vaccine deliveries, I'm now confident that we will have sufficient doses to vaccinate 70% of the adult population in the European Union already in July.
Actually, I do know some elderly people they've been vaccinated already and they have a positive feedback. So I think from now on it can only get better.
Getting vaccinated will help slow down the pandemic and the spread of the virus. So yeah, I'm quite confident actually.